Hey guys, Custom PC by Josh here. Today we are going to be doing a budget used PC build. This will cost you around $500 at the end of it. At least that's what I bought all these parts for. Most I got on eBay and local marketplaces like Facebook. Today we are going to be working with the i5 4460 and 8 gigabytes of RAM, which will be upgradable since there's 4 DIMM slots on this Asus motherboard that I got off eBay. We are also working with a Zotac 1650 Super that I just showed you. So the heatsink that we are using for this PC build is a tower heatsink. It is the GameX GT RGB. I think it's got 6 copper heat pipes. It does not have a traditional RGB header, as you could tell in the video before this. It is RGB on the top of the heatsink, which I thought was pretty neat, which is why I bought it. And it also has mounting hardware and thermal paste for AMD and Intel, most AMD and Intel at least. Here's me mounting it. You do need a back plate for Intel as usual. AMD not so much, because they come with their own back plates unless you buy used, which sometimes people don't include, which is kind of a bummer, but this is how it is with Intel. So it was very easy for me to install. I liked it very much. I actually bought this on Amazon in the Amazon warehouse, so it was used previously. It was in really good condition, came with everything that it needed to get you up and running. Okay guys, so this is the heatsink. Standard, typical mounting method. Screw it in to the motherboard, and typical fan mounting with the kind of retention arm with the heatsink. This is me installing the power supply. Very easy, kind of like an NZXT case, just it was a little bit more flimsy. Installing the motherboard, very easy, very simple. Kind of tricky getting the screws in there without them falling, but it's able to get done. I did end up stripping one of the standoffs, which was unfortunate, but I did end up replacing the standoff later, so the person buying had no worries. We are using 2 storage devices, an SSD and a 500 gig hard drive. The SSD is 120 gigabyte, so that's where the OS was gonna go. The only thing different with this GPU installation is that it is vertical instead of horizontal, like most cases would be, but very easy to understand. This was overall a very good case to build in for the first time. I really enjoyed building it. Now these are some photos of the final product. I'm sorry they're not that well, or not that good quality, I guess. I was taking them on my iPhone and not my camera. Just so I can post them to Facebook as soon as I took the photo. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and comment any suggestions you want for our next video.